Avengers Biscuits.
Hey, Niandra, Mbulamineka, very good morning to each and every one of us tuning in this morning.
Yeah.
The time is 7:35.
The time is waiting.
It's waiting. It's waiting.
Yeah.
Atuluke Memorial College. The story I was telling you guys at 6:30.
Yeah.
That's the Nabunikadam.
Oi!
Namburkandam is a school, and it's not a school.
Yeah, the village.
Yeah, that's how we prosper. Sila Lakabutu and Media from Lambasa, thank you very much. Passione Makasiale. That driver. Yeah, Ramas Anglican Church driver. Thank you, Passione and the family joining this morning.
Wow.
On the way from Nosori to Suba, there's a traffic jam in Sawani Junction.
Right.
There. Don Katabuchi Bagdor people in Sawani Salaya.
Don't Naka.
Salagi Mabuchi and traffic jam. We are to section and battery Salaka. Only chicken my Nosori Suba.
Right.
Lomamutiko no Nakinaki Mongoli Sawani. Kerker around your Dabataka no Mongolisala. Said no Murudni Tosaya Tosuma and Namatanikua.
Minibus 10.
Hey, we say good morning to all the mini van drivers tuning in this morning, and to all the passengers, especially to all the drivers of LM in Ba, Lauto Kamba, and Mbata Buamba, to all the drivers LM325,
Sao,
Williame,
Domula,
LM372,
Ratumeli,
LM336,
Maloni,
LM371,
Peniasi,
LM373,
Mano Amay Natunuku,
LM422,
Alombo,
LM339,
Ratupeni Marika. Iyo, iso Micheli kerto na loading boys o Sunia, o Timothy, o Mono Semi Madi o Nalubat ke Samu Elautoka.
Hey, thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Right.
On our Ouch Palangi show.
John Kumar tuning all the way from Barara Valley Road in Sikato.
Yandra.
When I will start the Falcon dance, boy.
Bo
How
Julum.
about the video?
I'm watching you. You are shedding inside the
Stop.
Tauna mugori medabuka. You know, he was dancing. You know, some of us, we are lucky enough.
He's a happy man.
He's a happy man. We are lucky enough in Fiji, in a place we go. There are some people there. They are very good in make us laugh.
Right.
They got the talent. Some of us, before we drink, we are silent. When we drink, we can show how good, how funny, how active we are.
Okay, since we are coming closer to the date of like for those who want to come and join VTFM,
Valentine.
this Friday,
Saturday,
the interview. I saw John Kumar's what you call the letter.
Yeah.
I'm asking Atu plan if he will be
stringer.
Like
from Sikatoka.
Right.
From Sikatoka.
He will co-host you. Dimesi in the mid-dawn, the 12 o'clock in the night.
Doon ang matanda ni Simula mula minaka from Keterik from Andy Juju baru tuwa na buli and not forgetting Tata Mait Andy Willy Tati Lingairi Peter Brogo na levulemba ke tali buselosi barong sartu mengo nangone uluke kene urtine yandi nanu mitaltunga kina mai Keteriki ena matakani kuwa
Let's go share binaka ratu semi weni golo minibus ni we media raki ara binaka Andra Corvo California Lotoka ara binaka o Meiku N nice na roti
Right.
Andra ba her matako Moiskaba Andra revoku sema yo
Lautokyo
Mbulare momo Moiskaba Lautoka momotimi 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 moinga
Maisai LM470 Tonia
lai buli ofifio le meke o ratu manasa sa le tira butunga na mantikan duo kindi tiko no sorry primary o ratu sebana ya junior o tinay tako uli matay budi road suri nga sebana yang gereng-gereng tambo sinia
Lipa lobo bola tangane muto mai unuti
Sare
Lipa lobo lomai house na kana dangin reketi maduata
ngori
Bulasia
kameli sabuanga thank you very much thank you
What's one of the stupidest
thing okay
you have done in a classroom
in the classroom
Doraka
the fellow never go to school
right hocha bakasama tama dia Doraka arto sirikla mai vale me to mani ko ikota kamlo mani balut
Iyo.
Ngono sa kalikina.
Dina.
Mai.
What?
Nongo ngunu pa na way ni wato boleh.
Who's?
Ndo mo sotiaw na iliuli ni lotu from
English, man, English.
on behalf of the Saint Timothy Church, Anglican Church from
On
Namburi
behalf
Kandamu.
of my body.
Right, and on behalf of my body. You have to
Wait, I'll be there soon, coming soon.
apology to heaven.
Yeah. Please tell us.
First to the church because the church was used their money to buy the wine.
Iyo.
You know, because as Anglican we use bread and wine.
Right.
To like every day,
Yeah.
the father will give that before because I want to try. Sorry, church.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No.
On behalf of my body.
On behalf of the body of Demes Kakaya,
My soul.
Namburi Kandamu Numbua,
Yeah.
living now in Lolombu.
Yeah.
On behalf of them,
Yeah.
I would like to say I apologize
Oh.
for the stupidity
Yeah.
and the termination
Right.
of my life.
Right.
No,
I want to drink because I want to
confess. You go confess.
Yeah, I want to drink because I want to taste it. The taste of that red wine was awesome.
That's not the red one.
Lucky, the bread was not there
Yeah.
because I was drinking.
Yeah.
I was taste. I want to taste.
Okay. Who else with you?
Isa. Awa bambula taltunga be tamay keresi.
Right.
The same boy who we close the girl in the washroom.
Iya.
Why you close the girl in the washroom?
Iya.
Nga ba nang ito eh?
Iya.
To tamay keresi from Nandong. If he's listening now from if he's listening now Junior AB.
Yeah.
Joseph AB.
Yeah.
If he's listening now from Waisabulu in Lambasa.
Waisabulu.
Thank you very much for your.
Ate babu no te tukuna bikim do na plan go.
He was the one joining first. He.
Who's?
Him.
Iya.
Tame keresi Joseph AB. Ju.
Yeah.
Pina boleh usar na bete maki.
Iya.
Okay, odi bikim roibi.
Siya nga ibyo ko ya.
And then what happened? So tell us the story.
Yeah, we try.
Yeah.
Nambongin go.
Siya ni mbong miso tapo na kauni po nilo tuwi tirara. Like before the church start, we used to start at Sunday school.
Oi.
So everybody ran the first to who will be ringing the bell.
Okay.
O then lingiri na lali.
Right.
So we the first one to go in. When we first one go in Tirara's desk.
Right.
Table ni Tirara before entering the church.
Yeah.
The wine is there and the bread
The
too.
refinery is there.
The refinery. So
Atu.
Yeah.
All the what you call.
Oti nomor ngetar tala matagal tarbango.
In the world.
Yeah.
Iyo.
In the bank.
Yeah.
In the shop.
Yeah.
Well, compared to this one.
Yeah.
This is very serious.
Yeah.
Very serious.
Yeah.
Dapat ako sir now. Rubeni Kerandio, natuba bungali telebe na family, to J Matea, tamay Josie, obandi rin taka. Iya, do yan Gondo nang to sa dibuat nga ko nagang ni ngiri-ngiri ban lotu bera Sunday school. Oh, tamay Josie.
So na ilulu di lotu na waswas di lotu
Anglican Saint Timothy.
Timothy ke baka baka doa bangarati ko be turanga tabali.
Iyo ko pina. Iyo tirara. O ba na wala ni samay lang ko boso te usaka father Billy. Anisi ba father sa kyo ngani batu.
Karon si father sa kyo?
Sara liu.
Total si bulu siguro.
Sa auti kede.
Sa auti kede. Ini na se kay lamat at siguro nangunong ko. Kimene na kaling ni grabe na lotu.
Isa.
Der manile re ni roda mbaka ndo ngona me berto de biluta kini ayali na wine.
Iya.
Siya ni ali abo. Kero wato boleh nga.
Oh, rawang undo bo.
Yo bina kani lucky. They not yet pray.
If pray.
Bina kani sa sember ni masulak.
Iya. If pray.
Siya nga kaya baka si
So the bottle of wine is still outside the fence.
Yeah.
No, really. Maka technically sember ni masulak.
Right.
Sember ni masulak.
Tinggal man bulutu.
Iya, indah.
No, Atu. It's inside the church.
Okay.
It's holy.
Yeah.
It's holy.
Right.
And this is a very serious offense.
Serious offense, eh?
Iyo.
Right.
Yeah.
It's holy.
Demesi?
Iya.
O sa kerker no ka ngo santar bitalong apa kamu balago?
No.
Kerker mentono masulak no muda English kerker.
A morning devotion.
Sabdo mo tugo. Masulak no mula ko ito.
Namun sebelum masuk ke dalam ka. Stop the engine.
Kerker.
Off your phone.
Kerker demes mas.
Only.
Kalau kanto ko naman turangan. Bakit ko kira ko tayo?
Tabi sing lida tu masindilo. Miao diku. Miao musu yao ne bala za.
Pada kau tu tukur juga bi TJ. Au sa tamata i wala.
Ili maina adi. Kendra adi.
Otakuna.
Bila milinganga musu yao miao.
Don miau totok na mukir musu. Batani rasing nikila.
Mo posso boy nunu se posso ba.
English.
Posso ba nono ke posso ba.
Nabukun rai lilu ni ambata na bani to bani lu o mai na senti mudi. Na roro ni gua. Au kabangon rekoi. Ambala busara ngona songa no me bagila uginan rende ni ku oso dala ugina be bagalonga ai. Bale ai bagara wo daga bongona. Ke tau baki oro turna no mau nga boso ko ni mako ni mano same bagila uko na songa una gena leka.
Auto taronga seta babuna.
Auto aronga seta babuna. Itu nga uwa boso to nanua auto ta bola mo omena. The people the oldies from the village they said.
Sini kawale sa nakiti tu meado mena sini.
Engineer
ron mo tu semai.
Yeah, the topic today is not for congratulations. It's about a live
appreciation
of the opposition.
Sa pato bulu sa mo gupi.
Kaya sa chivale.
On behalf of the home, to the my parents, to the church, to the village headmen on that time. Sorry. I would like to say sorry. The sorry now is not for the suri ngorna taon. You know, sometimes I face a consequence of what I did. People there in the village, they talking. They was like this. If you want to play, don't play. If you want to play of the anything, don't play of the church. Kundo bang gitar na lotu. On that time, because maybe I was still young. I got some tasteless. On the watable and kakede. I want to taste the red wine because only it's not my fault. It's a UB40 fault. UB40 fault. Because they named this bottle to one of their songs. Red wine.
It's not his fault. It's UB40's fault. Because they named this wine red wine.
Sabi na bale usara. Bu weekenda. Nena matay talaga the first and the last for you to ask this kind of question in front of the public. Kami sila mere. Pinapaliw, ndaku.
Thank you so much for owing up. Because it's hard.
Ano besar nga? Ngalala sar nga demi.
Ngalala, ubade usar nga ngalala.
Hindi sar.
Au sa sirek.
Kasi sangke po siko kemuni. Pita man ton ni video me kita kay bita lagi.
Tame keresi. Ke baro tu motine keresi. Ni buso ti tame keresi. Tanan din na? Lagi kan dal ko drum to ya.
Hindi na sar. No ta anang bul ni ngone. Dapat wala lebih katoto nga. Hesa coach kan itu kita drama tadi kuah. Maria Lalagila, John Kumar.
Bulu nak.
Baik kakaya.
Baik.
Lota ada binaka tamay Makelina. Ada binaka.
John Kumar ni jobo elno.
Rona ka wata na may nakoro. Dona wa beto bele na wini. Kini kero sabi ngona kena nga kem sa sini may binaka. O tura rin do bindir no nakaw ngai ikaw kotomay ko na makita. Santo kome na makita na makita. Iyo. Ni sa kau mai ngai may sibi. Duten na kulina. Sangga ndo may singan itu lo manibali. Singan itu lo manibali.
Ni sa maleka.
Sangga kena tu na
kata-kata.
Na kata-kata na ndo manibali. Sangga ndo kau maya. Kami kim do laundir ken kim do momo. Ni on daw yan ranangon ni masu. Ikon do laundir. Kakaro sangga na kamong gobat kay tamay keresinga. Karo sangga bunita kan nakau ni nakau ya tirara.
Makita.
Kapalaw ka bro.
Tara ya bakan do kay baka tumutumuta kay betir.
Iya.
Uy.
Isa buso kay baro tumayo isa lang katalang otachon.
Oy.
Bata kay ngone o tamay bilio.
Na kau ni tirara. Ron di batu tu batu ko ya menon na itoko na ngone turango chisu.
Ya, red.
Ya nrusa batu mutu-muta gitu. Andona kali.
Barta mayo Lija Christian Masindilo.
Iya.
Mika.
Oh.
Talo taga mandoro may job tu walele Omkar.
Ya.
Ode o mika metalo na taka. Mika talo tuku satu ko na ni manwa.
Apa gore?
Right ko mika.
So mama sindilo, iko. No me asa gori.
Atun mo tamay makilen tombul bina ka mandalingan di bengkara bena tambani Revin Romo.
Iya.
Atun mo kasaruta milutungan ng dems. Yo sana garida mo ni sale, wa usa sirek, ya usa bakila.
Iyo.
Na mamanda.
Iyo tu mo mga biatu.
Wei, oreda.
Ben sai la datu nang kombe wa kono ko belatai.
Pako. Boleh ya?
Boleh boy.
Boleh.
Rumah kono ko beltai. Nangon tu rango kemini. Kila iko kobaku.
40 second.
Ipo ko lebu diwamu.
Mata di kuang kay like tak cikon na nonta video.
Right.
Na muhat pati kaya nung siya tak men tabi na bakit
Turun lang.
taka na video go. Maru tak na tosen na mata di